In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on Wix. If you've ever wanted a page to exist on your site without showing up in your navigation, this quick walkthrough will help you do exactly that. Maybe you're preparing a seasonal landing page, a portfolio piece that's not quite ready, or a special link you only want to share directly. Hiding it from the menu keeps your site tidy while the page stays live and editable. Start by opening your Wix editor and looking for the site's navigation menu right on your page. This is the visible menu your visitors use to move around your site. Click directly on that navigation area. When you do, you'll see an option called Manage Menu. Go ahead and click Manage Menu to open the list of all items currently displayed in your site's navigation. Inside the menu manager, find the page you want to hide. Next to that page's name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click the 3 dots to reveal additional options for that specific menu item. From there, select the option to delete it from the menu. Don't worry, this action only removes the page from your site's navigation. It does not delete the page from your site, your content, or your editor. The page still exists, and you can keep working on it exactly as before. Once you've removed the page from the menu, it's effectively hidden from your site's navigation. Visitors won't see a link to it in the header or any standard menu areas. However, the page can still be accessed if someone has the direct URL, and it can still be linked from buttons, images, or other internal pages if you choose. This makes it perfect for soft launches, special promotions, or content you only want to share with specific audiences. A couple of quick tips for clarity. Hiding a page from the menu doesn't secure it or restrict access. It simply removes the navigation link. If you need a page to be private or protected, use Wix's page permissions or members-only settings instead. Also, if you change your mind, you can return to the same Manage Menu area and add the page back to your navigation later. Your content will be exactly where you left it, and that's all there is to it. You clicked your site's navigation, opened Manage Menu, used the 3 dots to delete the page from the menu, and now it's hidden from your site's navigation while still existing on your site. Simple, clean, and effective.